Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. First of all, I want to say thank you for watching this video. Especially Miss Dewi, thank you for your supporting in this presentation. And let me introduce myself. My name is Nadia Zaharujana. You can call me Nadia with student ID 2024 30148 from majoring in accounting at Patimura University. In this video, I would like to present about experience of being a first semester student at Patimura University. Before starting college, I always thought that college was as beautiful as in the novel. However, it turned out to be wrong. When I entered university, there were many changes that I want to whether in terms of academic, social, and mental. Next, this is my experience. First, adaptation environment university. 2. Adaptation with academic system. 3. Look for identity self for managing time. And 5. Interweaving a new friendship. 1. Adaptation environment university. Things to do: don't start lecture with no environment or university-wide in comparison environment school. An experience that I think is fun is when my SMPT friends and I traveled around campus to find out every building, street, and place that might be a place to rest and study comfortably during our free time. 2. Adaptation with academic system. One of the challenge for students new is Muscan having a very difficult learning system different far from school days. Yeah, I still remember when I first entered college, I was stressed to the point of illness because I was confused about the many exercise and forced to think critically to do all the exercise. Had to study more in search such as journal, books, and on the internet to understand more, and the lecture exam were very difficult. 3. Look for identity self. Many students lose themselves because of the challenge in study, different in social environment, and the loneliness they experience. That's raw because I'm one of those who experienced it. In the early days of college, I was always confused about myself. I was happy, lucky, and like the crown suddenly became a sad, depressed, solitary, and self-harming child, and even my fight began to slow down. 4. Managing time. One of the challenges faced by students is how they can manage their time in lecture, excitement, and other activities. Well, this is mandatory so that all students can position themselves in their study, lecture, and personal life, because if you don't have one, you will definitely be overwhelmed to the point of stress in living life. 5. Interweaving a new friendship. Many students are very happy to have the opportunity to make friends with various students from different schools, regions, and backgrounds, which makes them gain a lot of insight into various things. At first, I thought I might have trouble finding friends, but it turned out that I found enough friends who also want to learn and reminded each other to always be a good student in terms of academic behavior, and most importantly in maintaining faith to be stable again. This is the end of my presentation. I would like to summarize by saying the experience of being a student is a journey full of difficulties, but in the journey of life you will definitely experience happiness. Every experience, whether enjoyable or challenging, provides valuable lesson for students to learn more. Not only listen in the lecture, but also listen about the meaning of survival, fighting, and always being enthusiastic about living a social life. I hope that the experience that I have gone through during this semester will make me more confident, rise up, and believe that one day I can become a successful person in the future, even though the goals I want are not fulfilled. I'd like to thank you for taking time out to listening to my presentation. Have a good day and see you next time.